Alright, so I think this is recording. Let's take a look at this problem number 4. You have a pebble that's wedged in the tire. Um, as you stop your car at a traffic light, the pebble becomes wedged between the tire treads. When you start moving again, the height of the pebble above the pavement varies sinusoidally with the distance you have traveled. Assume that the diameter of the tire is 24 inches. Um, you begin moving at a speed such that the tire rotates 4 times every second. Okay. So if the diameter of our tire is 24 inches, and if our tire is obviously touching the ground, so our maximum here is 24 inches, our minimum is 0 inches, and our center line is 12 inches. So if you're on the ground where we have the pebble, and 1 second we've already completed 4 cycles. So in 1 second, if this is t equals 0, then over here t equals 1 second. Well, we're interested in just 1 cycle from this min to its next min, so 1/4 of that 1 second. So we've got 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25. Then from t equals 0, half of 0.25 is 0.125. And then half of that, and we'll be at the center line for the first time. And 0.06, obviously, what's 0.0625? What's that? 0.0625. So let's just write our equation using this cycle. Oops. Where, alright, so we got everything that we need. Our period is 0.25 seconds. Our amplitude is 12 inches. Our center line is also, okay, so the amplitude was 12, but the center line is also at y equals 12. And the starting point that we want to use is this 0.0625 seconds, comma 12. Alright, so there's all the information we need. We've got this function with an amplitude of 12, a period of 0.25. We're moving to the right, so that's actually subtraction. I'll listen to the Bob and Tom show. And the center line is also 12. And this 0.25 is 1/4. To divide by 1/4 is the same as to multiply by 4. So this 2 divided by 0.25 is going to be 8. So that'll make that 8 pi. So there we have it. Alright, so that's this problem. Hope that helps. Almost pulled my headset off. Talk to you later.